Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have Chrome, now act. Open the Chrome web store and search for Urban VPN. Make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version so the extension runs smoothly. Click Add to Chrome and accept the requested permissions. This allows the extension to route browser traffic. Once done, pin the extension icon to the toolbar for quick access. You're starting the process correctly because a current browser and pinned extension reduce errors and speed up switching servers. You've installed it, next configure. Click the Urban VPN icon and sign in with your account credentials so settings persist. Choose a server region based on speed versus location needs. Closer servers lower latency, remote servers unlock region content. Toggle options like Run in Incognito, Auto Connect on startup, or protocol choices if offered. These affect privacy and performance. Wait for the connection status to show connected. Make sure to test by loading a geo-blocked page or checking your IP to confirm it changed. You're almost done. Finish by verifying the connection. Open a site that shows your IP or try streaming region-locked content to confirm success. If pages don't load, turn off other extensions that modify traffic, ad blockers or proxy tools can conflict, then reconnect. If problems persist, clear the extension data or remove and reinstall Urban VPN. This resets corrupt settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if speeds are slow, switch to a nearer server or restart Chrome. This resolves most latency and DNS caching issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.